You get there. Do you even have a plan, Joy?
I bet anxiety would have a really good plan.
Of course I have a plan. Who doesn't have a plan? Look, she's not the only one who can project the future. First, all we have to do is, give me a second. Oh, follow the stream of consciousness. And then we take a nice, easy float all the way to the back of the mind.
Where all the bad memories are.
Exactly, and there we'll find the Riley we know and love. We'll put her sense of self back, and then Riley will be Riley again.
Okay, I'm gonna give it to you. That could actually work.
Yeah, it could. And then I tell anxiety, hey, don't worry so much anymore. And she'll say, wow, Joy, I never thought of that before, thank you. And then we hug and become best friends.
And then I hunt her into the dump.
No, anchor.
Okay, fine, no content.
Don't worry, I know right where the stream is. Satis and I have been here before. Oh, Joy, this is a dead end.
Those are the worst kinds of